aren't you at the fight?
Had my share for the day.
Yeah. Your leg okay?
Yeah.
Where's the doctor?
I don't know.
Where you going with that, Jax?
Nowhere.
I don't believe that. I've seen the two of you together. See how you act around her? She's still got ties in you.
You know what? I don't give a shit what you think. What I do, what Tara does, it's not your business.
Oh, cleaning up piss and broken cribs, that's my business?
No one asked you to take this on. This house, this kid, it's not your burden, it's mine.